привет! Welcome to my channel, AllasYummyFood. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a showstopper dessert, a chocolate bowl, where we're going to put different things inside, pour the hot caramel, and voila, it will open up like a flower. Not technically like a flower, that's a different method, but it will break apart and you will see the beautiful chocolate brownie inside, ice cream and berries, and it's one of those desserts that looks amazing and usually served in fancy restaurants. Well, now you can make this at home without any fancy ingredients and impress whoever you're making this for. So now guys, let's get started. I can't wait to show you my recipe and I can't wait to see your results, and make sure you always tag me on Instagram or Facebook at AllasYummyFood. Now let's get started. Large bowl, add your dark chocolate. You can also use milk, but I prefer dark chocolate as it has a lot more cacao solids in there. And then we're gonna use this shape for the mold. I didn't actually buy this. This is from a large Ferrero Rocher that I got for Christmas, and I decided not to throw it away and keep it. But there are lots of molds online that you can get as well. We're going to temper our chocolate, so you want to place it onto a double boiler. So that means place a pot of water and heat it up, and then place a bowl with chocolate over it. You're going to gently melt your chocolate, and using a spatula you want to constantly mix it through so your chocolate doesn't burn and overheat. Once you see that the chocolate is starting to melt, you want to mix it through, and we're just going to take it off the heat. So at this stage you want to keep mixing it through, and we want to reach the right temperature, but I'll leave all the exact measurements in the description box and on my website. As some of you know, I have launched my online cooking school where you can learn how to make the most amazing cakes ever. I've got level 1, 2 and 3 for beginners to advanced, and you'll be able to learn the beautiful mousse cakes. You can also do this as a gift for somebody who loves cooking and baking. I think it's an awesome present. And of course, if you wanted to learn yourself, each course has over 20 to 40 video lessons in there where I teach you all the skills, different cakes and unique designs. We also have a Facebook community group for all the bakers that join my course, and you will have my unlimited support throughout teaching and learning. I really hope to see you in my online cooking school, and if you have any more questions, then leave the comments down below. Once the chocolate reached the perfect stage, you're going to add the chocolate into your mold, and we're going to use all the chocolate into one sphere. So add all your chocolate into one sphere, and this is an important part. You have to be very patient. We're going to glue the second part on top, and then you're going to slowly rotate your bowl up and down until it covers the whole mold. Of course, if you're using the professional molds that you can get online, you'll be able to see because they're transparent and white. So this was a bit of an experiment, but it totally worked and it's fine. So if you have something like this, you might just need to experiment, but I'm sure it'll work out like just it did with mine. So you just really want to rotate it around up and down several times to make sure there are no holes, and then place it in a fridge. I'll leave the instructions for that as well. Here I've got my decoration plate. I've got some fresh fruit, chocolate brownies that were sent to me by Epilari Cakes, so do check them out. I didn't make these, and you can order any delicious treats at home, super easy. I'll leave all the links down below in my description box. So I'm gonna decorate the plate straight away now. So you want to add all your berries, all your chocolate brownies inside, and then you want to also add a scoop of vanilla ice cream. So we're kind of creating a surprise inside our bowl. Pretty much you can use your imagination and use any cakes that you want to put inside the bowl, so it's completely up to you. Once your bowl has been set in a fridge for several hours, you want to really gently open that up. Again, don't rush this process as it's really easy to break the bowl. So you just want to gently press and kind of open the first half and just kind of move it around and make sure it pops out rather than you pulling it. So like I said, this will take a while. Because of the Ferrero Rocher, you can see that the bowl is not like plain, but it's got these little bits around, like a foil type of thing. But I think it looks really cute. So now we're gonna make a hole inside the bowl. So it's really good to boil a ramekin or something that you can, create the hole with. Be really careful when using it as it's really hot, and you just want to go around and create this little hole on the bowl. So because of the heat, the chocolate will melt pretty quickly. So once you've done that, that's, when you're happy with the size of your hole, you're gonna then add this on top of your dessert and almost hide everything that we've just plated. And you might need to just press down on it very lightly so it stays. I do like to decorate with more berries on top, and also it just gives so much flavor of the rich chocolate. And I'm pouring down my 10-minute caramel sauce, which you can find online and on my website, but I'll also leave all the ingredients for it in my box. But just look at that, guys. The chocolate will melt and it's almost just too good. So this is my chocolate salted caramel vanilla chocolate brownie bowl. It's definitely a showstopper. It's so delicious. It's very indulging, very rich dessert. You almost need to share that because it's quite a lot of sweetness in there. But to be honest, I ate half of it, if not more, by myself, and I absolutely enjoyed it and I have no shame. So I really hope you try this recipe at home and create this amazing dessert. And I can't wait to see your creations. Make sure you tag me at AllasYummyFood.